still. Oh, fucking hell. What's up, guys? Today, basically last time you saw me in a bedroom of some sort with a housemate, we were pranking him with cling film. Today, we have got dickhead. You can't even see him on the picture. We've got some of this.
I don't know what you're talking about, mate.
Is there anything else in there apart from the plastic?
What? We haven't done anything!
I can see the fucking plastic, you dickhead! Where's my Xbox then? Is it in there somewhere?
Well, you got your printer in there as well.
Well, I've got to rewire everything back together.
Maybe.
You guys are fucking dickheads.
It was all Jordan!
And yeah, we cleaned from his room and you saw how that went. So now Anton has been stupid enough to leave his room unlocked, and we have got bubble wrap and a fuckload of plastic bags, and we're going to stick them to his wall. We're going to cover all this stuff with bubble wrap, and then we'll hopefully try and film the reaction later when he gets back from his night out. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and let's get to it. So all you guys see at the moment is a ceiling, because we're going to patch some plastic bags to it so Anton can't reach it. There's a quick pan of the room. Got stuff there. Chair. And stuff through the walls now. Yeah.
No, I'm not the fridge is done, but it's done here.
I think I'll probably do it in here. Less wet, I think. So, carry on with the room pan. What's to fix the angle?
Jordan!
Bollocks!
What the fuck? Oh, get out, way! Move!
Vad är det? Stöd dig för.
Paketet, блядь!
Зачем?
Get out, my move!
Yeah, it's all the Britain.
Anton, how do you feel, mate?
Fuck off! I invited you on a night out. You can fuck off.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this prank video. Hopefully we'll try and film his reaction when he gets back. If we don't, well, we'll try and get a later one. But I think he's going to be pretty pissed off in the room. So obviously like a clean film and all the bags and stuff, and obviously the sellotape trick should hopefully work and the bubble wrap should work. But yeah, want to see more of these pranks with these guys not knowing? Let me know. Give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you next time.